Boxing Day on BBC2.
Now on BBC2, a look at the weather prospects for Christmas Eve with John Kettley.
Hello again. Well, the potential does exist of some very damaging weather over this holiday break. It looks like for Christmas Eve into Christmas Day, we'll see severe gale force winds across many parts of the country and some heavy bouts of rain to come as well. If I look at the satellite pictures, we can see where the problems are coming from out in the Atlantic. In actual fact, you can see this hammerhead of cloud developing. If I run that one again, you can see how it's moving pretty rapidly northeastwards up towards the British Isles. It really is a very strong feature, that one. It's a severe weather system, an area of low pressure which will move and stay across the northern part of Scotland during Christmas Day, with certainly some severe gale force winds around and some heavy bouts of rain to come as well for many of us. Well, maybe you're going further afield for Christmas. Well, it's pretty cold in northeastern Europe, minus 10 degrees in Moscow, but some sunshine around. A band of sleet and snow to the south though between Kiev and Bucharest. Well, maybe if you're going into the Mediterranean, it's not too bad. It's a bit chilly perhaps in Athens still, about 12 degrees here, near 16 or 17 through southern parts of Italy, Sicily into Malta, with most of the showers further east in fact on Christmas Day between Crete, Egypt and through to Cyprus. Milder conditions across Central Europe, but there will be outbreaks of rain from time to time, and eventually colder conditions here, bringing some snow back across the Alps during Boxing Day and Saturday. A similar pattern of weather too for France and Switzerland, fairly clear in the south to begin with on Christmas Day, but a belt of rain moving in from the north. And as far as Spain and Portugal are concerned, well, the best of the weather certainly in the south, in the Costas and in the Algarve as well. A fair amount of sunshine to come. Temperatures around about 18 degrees here, but there will be some showers breaking through from the northwest, so much more unsettled across northern parts of Spain and up into western parts of Portugal. Well, as far as the rest of tonight's concerned, there isn't much of it left, is there, of course. Outbreaks of rain still around in the far south here. Some heavier pulses of rain returning across southwest England, whereas further north the rain band clearing away, but still some blustery showers over northwestern parts. Maybe some mist developing if the wind does drop out light, but staying pretty mild everywhere, about 5 to 10 degrees. Little ridge of high pressure coming along on Christmas Eve morning, so the best of the weather then, but it will get worse as time goes by. We're going to see some wintry sunshine for many parts, but the outbreaks of rain already in the far south and west, they'll push northwards very steadily during Christmas Eve. We're going to find some heavy bouts of rain too, and eventually pushing up through Northern Ireland into southern parts of Scotland by the end of the afternoon. Very foggy over the hills, but it will be mild despite that strengthening wind which will reach gale force during daylight hours. We're looking at perhaps 13 in the south, something like that, nearer 9 or 10 across Scotland and Northern Ireland. Well, here come those very severe winds during Christmas Day. It's an area of low pressure pushing across Scotland, so it's on the western and southern flank of that low we'll see the stormiest weather, and it really will be a question of watching the broadcasts in the next 24 hours. For Christmas morning then, pretty cloudy and wet across many northern and western parts. Some bright weather for a time on the eastern side of England. Even here some showers or longer spells of wet weather to come. Squally showers following then, still very, very windy with gales in many areas, and those strong winds and rather chillier weather coming through on Boxing Day. That's it from me. Good night.
Christmas Eve. You're panicking, rushing around at the last minute. You've forgotten to put the turkey in the oven. In fact, you've forgotten to get the turkey.
Right, Jennifer, let's fly with the goose.
The Christmas tree is not quite what you had in mind. And you're worried they won't like their presents.
And I opened the lid. I must say I was bitterly disappointed.
And where did you put the brandy butter? Christmas Eve. It's enough to drive you bananas. Well, at least the entertainment's sorted. Starting at 7 on BBC2.
And that's it from BBC2 for this evening. Just a reminder, though, that BBC News 24 is on the air throughout the night over on BBC One. And there's music and news on BBC Radios 1, 2 and 5 Live. So for now, on behalf of everyone here on BBC2, this is Manju Mali wishing you a very good night.